Myself Purushottam Smriti. I am here to explain the topic of surface tension in hollow bubble under guidance of G.B. Walsh.
3.
Surface tension in hollow bubble. This is a toe hollow bubble. It is a constriction. It is a constriction. In this, the tensile force acting on center from outward, and in this, pressure force acting on hollow bubble. In this, the atmospheric pressure inside and outside acting on the hollow bubble. Tensile force is equal to 2 sigma into pi d. Consider equation 1. And pressure force, consider pressure force is equal to P of into area. P into area into pi by 4 d square. Consider equation 2. Equating equation 1 and 2 equal to P into 8 sigma upon d. Surface tension example is a soap bubble. It is a soap hollow bubble, and it is the pressure force. It is a tensile force. It is hollow bubble, soap bubble, and hollow bubble is like a soap bubble is an example of hollow bubble. Soap bubble is a classic example of surface tension. The soap solution reduces the surface tension of water, allowing is to form thin spherical film. The surface tension then acts the surface area of the bubble. It is a tensile force. It is a hollow bubble. It is the surface pressure force. It is 2 pi r lambda, and it is a P into R square. At the top half of the bubble is forced upward by the internal gauge pressure and held down by the tension along the circumference.